Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying Bitlocker is active and gathering the recovery key, because without it, you cannot decrypt the C drive. Open Control Panel or run Manage BDE status to confirm. Make sure you are signed in with an administrator account, and if your key is in your Microsoft account, know the email used. Once done, keep a USB or printed key ready. This minimizes interruption and lets you proceed directly to the unlock command or GUI prompt. You now perform the actual unlock either via the GUI or command line because this is where decryption begins. If you have the 48-digit key, paste it into the recovery dialog. If you save the key to a USB, insert it and choose the USB option. Alternatively, open an elevated command prompt and run Manage BDE Unlock C, recovery password 48-digit key. Make sure to replace angle brackets and check for typos. Once accepted, the drive will be unlocked for the Once unlocked, decide whether to decrypt or just regain temporary access. To permanently remove encryption, run Manage BDE off C, or choose Turn off Bitlocker in the GUI. This starts decryption. If you only needed access, re-enable protection with Manage BDE Protectors Enable C after your changes. If something goes wrong, check TPM and BIOS settings, ensure secure boot matches previous state, and boot into the Windows recovery environment to use the recovery key there. This resolves most unlock failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.